All right, y'all see what it is. Had a green day, and it came on down. So I'm down $496, but it's all good. It's expected. If they resolve something over the weekend with this shutdown, this market is gonna shoot up. So put yourself in the driver's seat, man. I can't say how long it's gonna be down. I don't know. I'm not a fortune teller, and I'm not Negro Domus. So I'm gonna ride it out. That's why I'm using margin. Cause once it goes up, all these stocks I brought, I'm selling, gonna pay it back, and I'm gonna keep the rest for the dividend. Make a couple dollars and keep it moving, just in case it something harsh or um negative comes out again and the market pull on back. But y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Like I say, the way I do my margin, I could just stop investing and let the dividends pay it back by itself. That's why you see me take a lot of risk with it. But a lot of stuff that I'm buying for the reason of swing trading it. Like this one, let's go in and get the trade, man. We ain't gotta do all this rambling. All right, WEN, Wendy's. For y'all that trade this stock, y'all should have got the notification. It got up, it had good earnings. It went up to $10.08 today. Look at it, the pattern of it. All the way up, came all the way down. This pattern right here is showing you that people don't have no faith in Wendy's. That's why they're not buying it, because it should have went up way more than what it did. It went up to $10.12, came right back down. But it opened at $9.80, went up to $10.12, and then came down to the day's low to $8.80. Now it's selling at $9.02. I had sell orders in my Cash App portfolio. Like I told you, I got two positions in Wendy's. On this one, in this portfolio, I took profits at $9, which it did that on Wednesday. And the day I had a sell order in at 9.36, I want to get a little more growth, a little more price appreciation, a little more money out of it. So I said I'm gonna put one at 9.36 for my next one. Being in Cash App, they don't have a pre-market, so you had to wait for the regular market at 9.30. Anyway, it sold it at 9.73. So I actually got from $9 on this, I got 73 cents more, and I sold 91 shares. So I sold $858 worth of it. And look at it, it's back down to nine bucks. Can it go back up? Yes, but that's why I brought this and sold it. I had an average cost of $8.59 now. So I'm gonna let it go on a run. Got a 52 high 2052, which is not gonna touch again. I don't think it will, but it is what it is. Um, Another one to get. We're gonna look at Bull. Go ahead and do my list. Bull down 934, got down to 930 today. So go ahead and put it where the day low down 616. It actually came lower and came right back up quick. So you can go in at 916 on Bull. I brought some at 934. YMAX. I put a buy limit order at 1103. I got 781 shares now. That pays out weekly. We did Wendy's, ticker AQN, had good earnings, which they still flying. I'm at 639, 120 shares. Let's see what this here can do. Only thing about this one, this is based out of, what country is it? It's not Canada. Yeah, it is Canada. So this is what I was telling you about these kind of stocks. See the dividend break down here. I had 120.24 shares, paid 5.5 cents a share. Total withheld $101.17. Total amount $6.65. So it withheld, say a little less than 25% of the dividend. That's the only thing about trading out of the country stocks. I ain't gonna call it overseas because Canada right on top of us. So anyway, but that's one to watch that I'm gonna exit my position out of. See if it get around about the $8 range. I'm gonna set a stop loss and move it on up and down and play with it and make my exit. It got a 5-8% yield, not high enough for me to keep, especially not playing with margin. Get them that money back, and I'm going to another play. AIYY, $2.08. Staying in the range. This will squeeze back. People are greedy for dividend yields. Once this go back, this not one to keep. This one to trade, man. I got 424 shares at $2.35. CHPT, ChargePoint. I had 75 shares at $9.70. It came down past that. Came down today to $9.30. This one was $9.30. I got a buy limit order $9.30. What I put it in for? I'm gonna change that because I got a feeling it's gonna go past that. Might come down some more. I'm gonna put 5 shares at $9.30 just in case. I can play with it. I can divide that 25 shares up to 5 more plays. But I wanted to get some. I got 75 shares at $9.70. Let me see, I got $9.30. I did $8.75 for 5 shares. And this is what I'm doing with it. And I did $9. Let me do this too just in case. So I can keep buying in increments of 5 and lower that average cost. Because when this squeeze back past the $10, $11 mark, I'm selling it. But I did want to hit it just one good time. You can also do fractional shares, like I was trying to do, but my big fingers kept hitting 2 buttons at a time. Like I'm doing as it goes down, just keep buying. There's charge point. But the main thing is this, and I'm going to get off it. Lower my average calls. I'm at 1346 now. Go back to it. Show you the 52-week high. It's $30, which is not going to reach again. People are trading charge points, so you better jump on the bandwagon. You can sell in the red if you want. I don't know everything, but you can follow me. We can get on through it. Arbor Realty, I brought some more shares of this. I brought another 25 shares at 908. When this shoots back up, I'm going to sell this one also. This one going to move fast when it goes back up. 15.48% yield. What I want to point out to you, 52-week high, 1576. This should go back to the $13 mark. Ticker RC, Ready Capital. Got down to $2.67. Having bad earnings, man. Well, like I say, these benefit from interest rate cuts. The only thing about it is whether the dividend is sustainable or not. So far, I had some buy limit orders set. They get triggered from 1. I brought a full share. 2609 is that. Put in dollars, better than nothing. Add on to accumulate. This stock you're not going to catch cheap unless it has a major sell-off. But I did get a share today. Hood, I got one also. Hood down to 121.82. I'm going to get some more of this at this price. Hood got a 52-week high of 153.86. It's got down to 120.70 today. And I got a full share at 120.88. So hopefully this don't come down anymore. I might thought about putting another buy limit order in. I'm gonna do it in my other account, 120.88. for Hood. 916 for Bull. All right, what we going to next? TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. Brought a couple fractional shares of this one. This one here coming down. 52-week high is $311.37 with a low of $134.25. You know they make chips for all of the companies. Got KHC. I'm going to get some of this, $23.76. I'm going to put a buy limit order in on this. Okay, I'm going to trade myself out of KHC. A lot of people going to buy it for the dividend yield. Nike got earnings December 17th. I just checked. The reason Wendy's went up today and AQN went up today was because of earnings. Some people don't like playing earnings because it's dangerous. I buy and play it because I know on earnings date is going to squeeze. Nike got earnings December 17th, November the 8th, 7th. So you got a month and 10 days to go and accumulate. They had good earnings last quarter. They have another quarter good earnings. It's going to shoot up. You're going to go back past the $75 mark. And that's when I'm going to make my exit. Because I'm done with all this apparel stuff. So I'm buying fractional shares here on out. I'm going to total everything up. I know around December 17th, I'm going to put my sell limit order in. So that's how I'm playing Nike. I'm going to ride it from here all the way down to the $52 mark. Like I said, I'm done with the apparel and the food. MSFT, seem like all the money is in tech and technology now. Real estate sucks. BD suck. BDC suck. I brought some Microsoft 2 today. Came down. 52-week high, $555.45. We did bull. 926. Went down to 916. I brought 5 shares of OXLC. Got went in at $14.98. And I put a buy limit order in at $14.83. You know that's 40 cents a share a month. DEO, Diageo, I didn't get any of this yet. Yesterday I brought $250 worth at $87.08. You see it's already on the rise. CHMI, Cherry Hill. We're going at $2.30. I think this did have a squeeze on yesterday. It got down to got up to like 239. But they got this as a buy. LYB, Lionel Basel, $42.30. This was down to. It's also going to be one that's going to squeeze. People going to chase this for the dividend. SCHD, you can't go wrong with. 26.49. This got to today. Like it might be on its way up past that $27 mark. People looking for safety now. Can't go wrong with SCHD. CHCT got 1402. What's the 52-week low? I like 1402. I'm going to go get a share. Lower my average cost here on this one also. 12.7% yield. RPT. $2.39 today. Add on to it. Got up to 257 last time, or this my sale order I got right here, 267. So whatever I buy this week, I just replace that order and add those shares into it. Leave it there, so next time it squeeze, I'll be in the driver's seat. IWMY, I should have sold that last time. I've been greedy. I put 275 instead. Well, that's a lesson for y'all. Don't be greedy. Get greedy, you get screwed over in the market. Take your money and run. Some money better than none. IWMY was getting a share of this every day. But now I'm just dollar cost averaging to it. Cash up, reinvest the weekly dividends. That should go back up past the $23 mark. Baxter, just giving y'all this play for people that's in it. I'm in it, gonna get up out of it. Right now it's at a 3.78% yield. Look like they got some lawsuits going on. So this the time for you to get in it. Once they finish these suits, the stock gonna go back up. Usually how the things work, like with Hawaiian Electric. That one I thought it'd been higher than what it is now, but guess they still dealing with it. Then you got one of them electric energy companies out in California. I forgot the ticker of it, but I just started a position in it. Got like a 6% dividend yield. Got the Dow down today. But these like the dividend plays you want. I know I take a lot of risks with the yield maxes, but I wanted to get it to where I can have at least $100 coming in a week, so that I can put them in other plays like here. DEA 2110, I'm at 24. So them little extras, say for ULTY, I get at least $270 a week. I don't have to reinvest it back into that. I can get $5 here, $3 here into these plays, lowering my average cost without putting new money into it. Let's go check out traps. Even dealing with growth, man, you got to remember the Magnificent Seven, probably the top 10 companies in the S&P 500 is ruling the S&P 500. They getting all the gains. New Tech 1005. What we got down to today? I need to buy more of this. What this got down to today? $10. We'll go get 5 shares. Nah, I'm gonna get 2. It's probably gonna come down some more next week. It's at 10:05 now. 912 is the 52-week low. And this is what it's about, man. I am a dividend / swing trader. I'm not no day trader. I swing trade dividend stocks. But got Webull and Hood and stuff now. Those growth stocks, but they not going anywhere, especially with Webull. People using their margin. I use it every day. People use it and pay it back every day. Bull not going anywhere. They get another good earnings. Bull going, well, no, I'm sorry, Robinhood gonna go right back up. EFC had good earnings, 13 cents a share a month. SLRC, dollar cost averaging down into this one on the red days. Good 10 cents a share a month dividend stock here. Just need to bring down my average cost, but it's stable. TCPC, I buy that weekly. MFIC and MFA, one of them, MFA had bad earnings. I get these two confused, so let me get back out of this one. I thought Ben had good earnings. I'm trying to remember. 2214. What we looking at? Dividend 5.51%. Yeah, it's time to exit this one too. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna put a sell order in. So just in case it hits it, I can make my exit. Sell 2608. Sell limit order. How many shares I got? 8. 26.08. And I continue to buy as it dip. We're going to put that in. Alright, one thing I say, I am Nike, going hard on is Nike. Gonna buy that down. ABR is another one I'm going hard on. Definitely need to lower my average cost. LYB is another one. To get up out of that one, you got to buy though. You have to buy AFCG green today. That's another one. Goldman Sachs had good earnings. Like it's about to go back past the $10 mark, but it's a dividend play. 7.8%, 7.8 in PE. This got room to go up to 13.44, 14.48% yield. Keep that for the dividend. I go get some DISO. Let's see what's my average cost right now anyway. 12.35. I'm really good. I just keep that for the dividend. I don't have to buy any more. FSK had good earnings. It's probably around $15. Not low enough for me to buy. I'm not worrying about ULTY. Misty, I didn't know I had an order. It got 50 shares for me at 9.45. Look at it, it's back at 9.21. That's gonna go back up though. Like I said, it's just bad times on stuff. When this shut down get over with, all the stuff gonna squeeze back up. See, YMAX got the 1103. I was doing 5 shares a day. I'm gonna do 2 shares a day. I know this one it's gonna squeeze. This gonna be one of the first ones to go up. I mean, Coney, all that is too. But this one definitely is gonna squeeze back up past the $12 mark. You can believe that. PYPY, I'm gonna buy that weekly. Like I said, they got all those in YMAX, so I can just put all that money in the YMAX, to be honest. Like I say, Charge Point, definitely gonna be another. Look at the trade value on Charge Point. Average trade value 414,000. Now this usually was millions, but that's fine. Get another $3 worth. Lower the average cost. Cause once it squeezes, when them earnings come out, I'm gonna be making my exit. Got hood. Let's just check these again while we buy it, just in case you want to get a little piece again. And I will at these prices, not loading up. Might come back, get some more of that hood at 121. Set your buy limit order at like sell limit at 143 and start taking profit. Bull got the 916. So why wouldn't I? Right right there. SoFi, let's look at that one more time. SoFi got down to 25.66. Go get you a little, at least get you another share. WP and LFGY, we got that yesterday. LFGY. All right, that's it for today. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.